Here I have Samsung Galaxy On7 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Samsung settings. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down and choose general management. Here you have to tap reset, select factory data reset. If you are sure that you want to accomplish that operation, you can also read this information and tap reset. To confirm the whole process and to begin erasing all personal data, customize settings and installed apps, let's choose delete all. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see the home screen just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.